Hello, Claudia McGilkey here with eXp Realty, and we're back out here at Southern Palms, and we are in a 2145 4-bedroom, 2-bath, listed for $386. And this one is going to have the hardy board and the brick. Let's go check it out. You're going to come into the home. It's going to have the LVB flooring. You have a bedroom off to the right. Nice size. They have the high ceilings. This could be a formal dining room, or you can consider this another living room or even a game room. Then you'll come back here and you've got a bathroom, granite in all the rooms. Nice sized laundry room. And then you've got 2 more bedrooms back here. And these all have the 9-foot ceilings. Then you're going to come in around the corner, and this is going to be your lovely kitchen. Granite, white cabinets, very open plan. Nice living room, nice sized living room. Coffee station, pantry. Nice sized living room with, again, a covered porch. Nice sized covered porch. Then you're going to come back here to the master. Big box ceilings, crown molding. You have a huge walk-in closet around the corner here. Nice size. Extremely huge walk-in closet. And then on this other side here, you're going to have the double vanities, full tiled shower, linen closet, toilet area. So this is the primary, and it also is offset. They're doing lots of construction out here. DSLD is building as well. Now this one will be ready. This is by Holiday Builders, and this one will be ready in December. Claudia McGilkey, eXp Realty, 850-485-0353. Website, newhomesalespensacola.com. I am offering a free home security system as a gift to the buyer. Mention my name. Come out here and see Nakoma Mall. Call me, DM me. Website, register, newhomesalespensacola.com. Thank you so much for looking.